Good, good. So the first thing I want to share is open your demo account. And to open your demo account, oh fuck, I'm not serious. I need to mute this first. Okay, good. So I do have a couple of brokers that I use, but for a beginner forex trader, and because when I was getting into the whole forex game itself, I joined with iMarket Live back 2 years ago, and the most common broker is hugosway for forex, and till now they don't let me down. So I use hugosway. I can recommend them if you're just getting started. So let's go to hugosway.com, guys, and when you get there, click on sign up, input your name, boom, boom, boom. So I'm gonna put in my one of my email address so that we can just get the whole process entirely. So I'm not shortcutting any part of it. So let me use for my website at NigerYouth.academy. We're gonna put a password, any password I like. Okay, your password needs to be at least 8 character. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I'm gonna put the dots. All right. Agree to terms and conditions. We sign in. So we sign up, and we can save that. They're gonna send you an email to get in. Okay. So very quickly, let me confirm that on the Outlook. Are we all still together, guys? Outlook.live personnel. Let me get into my email so that I can just activate that real quick. Okay. Let me admit. Okay. Sign in. I'm about signing in. Okay, get back. Where's this thing? Well, if I can't get it, what I'll just do is I'll sign it into one of my accounts. Okay, let's see. Something is happening. Let me sign into that. One second. Let me refresh this thing. Okay, so let me sign in with one of this. Okay, so if you guys have registered, go ahead and verify your account. 578923. So let's get in. All right, good. So you're gonna get into an account just like this, and when you do, what you want to do is, if you're signing in for the very first time, it's gonna give you probably a slightly different option. But what you want to do is this: to create your demo account, which is the focus for right now. You want to go into my account. Okay, you want to go into create an account. You want to go into demo, because that's what you want to do right now. When you do that, you want to create your leverage. Your leverage is going to be, I want you to put your leverage as 500, which means that you have the opportunity to maximize whatever money you're putting into your account. So say, for example, your demo account will be a balance of, let's go with a little balance. Let's go with $1,000. So let's say your demo account is going to be $1,000. It means that when you get into any trade, it's going to be times, you have your position will be a possibility of 1 to 500. So you can risk your $1,000 without, well, if you want to take that kind of risk. So yeah, let's create a demo account. When you create a demo account, it's going to tell you this is successful. When you do that, go into your email and confirm what it sends to you. So boom, that's it. Your account has been created. Like on this particular account right here, I think she has, let me see. This is one of my clients' account here. So there's this and then there's this. So there's two accounts on there. She has a current balance of $17. So she must have withdrawn. So yeah, it's just one account that I manage for the clients. So that being said, I hope everyone got that. I want us to go ahead now and set up our trading view. Trading view is where we're going to be marking the chart. So let me see everyone, all of our participants. We have 5 participants. Okay, good. All right. Guys, if you want to, you can type and send me what's it called, a message if you want to ask me any questions, right? So let me get to how we set up the trading view. Let me close this. So go to tradingview.com, www.tradingview.com. I already have an account there. It is I am Niger Youth 1. My account is a pro account, is a subscribe based account. But you can get a basic plan, which is free. It's still gonna be able to do all those things, but of course you have some adverts in it. So when you get there, let me sign out and then sign back in so you can, well, just let me sign out actually. Let me sign out and then sign back in. So you can see I've published 90 ideas. I have 21 followers. I'm following 15 people. So let me sign out. Let's start this all afresh. So you can start with a free trial. The free trial, you can have access to the Pro for free for 30 days. But I don't think you need to do that. Just if you're going to cancel it later, you can do that. But if you just want to get in for the sake of this explanation, you can just get the basic. Or if you think you want all the features, these are the plans right here. The Pro $14.95 per month. That is the one I use. The Pro Plus is $30. The Premium is about $60. But let me sign back in. Thank you. All right, good. So I mean, they want me to pay for the $5 to get the rest of the month, but that's their business. So let's go to charts. Let's go to charts. So what I want to do now is to help you set up, if you already have your TradingView account registered, if you already have your hugosway registered, I want to help you set up your TradingView so that it's going to look somewhat like this, or at least close to this. This is where we're going to be marking all the charts. Okay, guys. So I wanted to start in afresh. So someone mentioned me. I'm not. Let me see. I was going to sign out and sign in straight from beginning, guys, so that you can see the way it's going to look, just the way it will look on your end when you are setting it up. So by now, we should already have a demo account set up. The demo account, we're going to be putting in our trades on MT4. So let me start a free trial, actually, just like you guys might probably want to. So let me start a free trial. I'm not going to use I'll use the same account I was trying to register earlier. Let me see. Babe, text me one of your email address, please. Try free for 30 days. Okay, let's go with a premium. Let's go with a premium. No, I'm just Shibang now because they're gonna need me to put in my card details. I don't want to put in my card details while you guys are watching. Okay, let's sign up. So I'm just trying to take us through the process of registering and all those things. So when you do that, you confirm it. It tell you, okay, I've read. I'm not a robot. All of these things, this good stuff. Sign up, and we get on. that's been taken. Let's me. Mike, let's do it that way. Let's sign up with this. Absolutely. Yes. So let me check. They should find your email. Okay. Okay. Check if they sent the verification. No? Okay. This thing, man. So let's log in. Okay, try register again. Yahoo.com. Is the wrong one? What should I use quickly, baby? Okay. It's okay. But it's a Yahoo as well. Okay. It's the same one. Okay. I could have signed into mine directly, but I want you to see what it's going to look like when you get in from your end. Please confirm you're not a robot. How many times do you want me to do that? Damn. These people have Walla, man. Let's confirm I'm not a robot real quick. All right. So sign up. Hopefully it will be good now. Your account is not active yet. Please verify your email address. Huh? But I have to get into it. All right, so this account is active now. I've just activated it. Let me just finish.
Hello, Ife.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, not to interrupt anything. Can you please state the purpose of each tools? The first one you went to was hugosway. What's that tool used for? And this second one is tradingview because I'm an absolute newbie on this. So
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Okay. All right. So the first one I had gone to, the Ugo's Way, is the broker. So the broker is the one who is going to manage your funds for you. The broker is quite important. You want to pick a good broker so that you know they have different margins, they have different spreads, they have different minimum deposits. They have, but the advantage of Ugo's Way is this: it encourages beginners, it encourages people who are just getting into it. The minimum to deposit is it's $50, and
Okay.
they do have quite a few payment options. You can, if you have Cash App, you can use your Cash App to deposit. You can see all the funds this person had deposited here and there, and then the withdrawals. So Ugo's Way makes it easy, like $50 every now and then. I think this is weekly, September 3rd, September. I shouldn't, but that's fine. This person is my person, so don't. But yeah, that's what Ugo's Way is. This is the broker. and they will be managing your funds. They do have a reduced commission on all their trades, and that's how they get their funds apart from the subscription.
Okay. Do they charge like for withdrawals?
No, they don't.
Right.
So depending on your means of withdrawing, so if you're withdrawing using my preferred means of withdrawing has been Bitcoin, and if I'm withdrawing by Bitcoin, the only thing that will vary in what I get back will be the price of Bitcoin when I initiate the withdrawal and when they process it. So if got so good between then, in a few minutes, Bitcoin had gone up, and me, I'm trying to withdraw, say, $5,000, and Bitcoin had gone up. It means that I'm going to be getting more than my $5,000 in my account, even though it's $5,000 I withdrew.
Got you.
So yeah, I think I've sort of cleared the hugosway one right now.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, good. So if you've already registered for TradingView, once you register, you confirm your account and you can sign in. It's going to look somewhat like this, and I think it's going to look. Let me go to the home. Plan. It's going to look somewhat like this. You will have all of these things scattered everywhere, literally. And but what we want to do is go to charts. I want to show you how I set up my charts to look the way it looks on here. If you can, okay. I'm not sharing that, but on the other one, which we're pretty much used to. So click on charts if you can, or if you will, and we are on charts right now. By default, I guess they load Apple. You can see this is quite different from this other one. Let me share a new screen. Let me do a new share. Let's share. I'm gonna do a new share so you see this other one. Okay, quite a few things that I need to off this. Is everyone already on TradingView though, or does everyone already get? So it will look somewhat like this when we finish setting it up. So if you like my own setup, if you like the way I do mine, your stuff will be looking like this. Your stuff will be looking somewhat like this compared to the other one, which is in the white background and all of that. So let's go ahead and set that up real quick. Okay, share new screen. Go back to this. All right, good. Okay, so we mute this, and the first thing I'm going to do is, because I want a black background.
Oh, effects. Can you give me permission to record this? Because I think I still do need that permission.
To record?
Yeah.
Yes, please go ahead if you like to.
It is requesting that you give me permission.
So I need to. Did you get the permission already? Let's see.
No, not yet.
Oh, let me see. I think I need it to write it. Okay, how do I go about that? Real quickly, let's see. Remote control. Auto accepts. Does that make it better? Are you able to do it now? I'd accepted something now.
I'm trying over again. I mean, if it's going to be a problem, let me not hold other people that are watching.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Share it though.
Ask to start. Allow record. Allow record. I think I see it. Check.
Oh, okay, yeah. I got it now.
Got it. Good.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. So let's go on real quick. So now this is what it will look like once you sign into TradingView. Like I said earlier on, TradingView specifically is for you marking your charts, you looking at the direction. This you can also do on MT4, but I don't want to complicate things. I am a little bit, I wouldn't call myself advanced pro, but I'm a little bit advanced than I guess most of us on this call right now. So I don't want us to do, I can do MT4 and TradingView depending on where I am. So your screen will look somewhat like this, but we want to clear it. We don't need all of the things there. and I don't want us to go with Apple. So right click real quick. When you do right click, you're gonna see settings somewhere. Settings is at the bottom. And okay, so your symbol, your borders, your week, your last price line, previous day close, all of these things. So let's start with symbol. I like mine. I like blue. I think I like this blue and green, but we might change that. But let's see, borders, weeks, we can leave all of that there. This we can leave the way it is. You can change it to the color you prefer also. Adjust that to all this. You can just leave all of this the way it is right now. You can change your time zone to what you prefer. I am in Dallas, Texas, so I use Central, which is far from whatever is showing here. But this is just for explanation purpose. So let's go to the status line. You do want the symbol. You want it to show whether the market is open or not. I don't do that. I don't need you to tell me when the market is open. Show buy or sell buttons. I don't need this. Okay, so indicator titles, okay, indicator value, and then the background. Let me see what's up with the background. Okay, let's leave the background. So I think this is good. All right, good. So let's go to scale. On scale, show name label, show price label, yes. Show the, okay, now bid or ask label, you don't need that. Pre or post market price, I don't want that. Indicator name, last value, we don't need this. No overlapping labels, okay. Countdown, okay. Currency, yeah, show me the currency. All right, that's good. Let's go to appearance real quick. On my appearance, this is a white background. I like to make mine dark. I like some dark. For my grid lines, you can leave it on white, but I like to make it a little bit out of my view. So I put it in 10% transparency. So the opacity is going to be at 10%. It's still white. You can see how this thing is changing gradually. 10%. Okay, good. The scale, we can leave the text the way it is. We can leave this. I don't need the watermark. Okay, can leave all of this. Okay, so trading, show positions, show orders. I don't need it to show me my orders. Okay. One other thing I might want to do is the break. So let's see events. I don't want you to show me events. Show only future events. Don't even show me no events on the chart. You can do that, but this is how I set mine up, guys. This is how I set mine up to look like what I will show you after we've done all of this. So let me go over it again. My symbol, put it the way you want it. The blue is supposed to be when it's in up position. The red is when it's going down. So if it's dropping, you see red candles. If it's going up, you see the green candles. Then for the border, for the week. Okay, so let me see what else I want to put here. I want to see the day close. I want you to show me when the day is closing. So let's me week status. Okay, status line. All right, show background indicator values. Okay. With all this being done, you should already have your trading view looking somewhat like mine. We can make it a bit different. Let's look for another pair that is not exactly Apple. Let's use a forex pair. Let's use a forex pair. Okay, good. All right. So it's gonna be looking like this for now. Let me change one more thing. I don't want this thing to be showing me all these events. I want to take off all the events. Let's see, body price, markets close, precision, status line, show symbols, description. Okay. All right, good. So let me right click on this bad boy then. So hide. All right, good. So we can liken this. So your chart will look like this when you set it up, just like I've set mine. And if you've already done that, that concludes how your trading view charts will look like. So the next thing I will go into, I've covered opening your demo account on hugosway. I've covered the leverage, which I want you to put at the max. I have also covered I've covered the setting up your trading view. Now I want to go into bid and ask price. So bid and ask price, the main thing about bid and ask price is that when Euro USD, I think this is, okay, good. So we're on this chart now, right, guys? So bid and ask price is this. Bid price is the price buyers, if you want to buy from the market, the price buyers are going to buy. If you're getting in a buy, the price that you'll be getting it for is what the bid price is. And the asking price is what they're asking if for sellers. I don't know if that makes sense. Bid price is the price you will buy from the market. Ask price is the price you will sell to the market. Okay, guys. So I have 10 minutes on this 40-minute time limit. I did not maximize that. Yeah, let me see. 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You shouldn't be asking me because 4 people should be able to do unlimited. But oh well. Whatever be the case, we'll probably get back in. But for now, do we all have an understanding? Because I want to get to the charts itself. So do you have an understanding on opening your account, the leverage, setting up your trading view, bid and ask price? Let me go to take profit and stop loss before this thing run out of 10 minutes and we get back for the next 40 minutes for the charts. So take profit and stop loss. Say, for example, you get in a trade and you want to sell this particular swing low. I caught this entire swing low like this last week. This whole boom, this whole over 200 and something pips. I caught all of it. But that's not what we're talking about. What we're talking about is take profit and stop loss. So for example, let's say you can see my buyers. If you watch my video from the last time, I bought up here, anywhere above here, I put the buy buyers. We got here when we broke this, my trend line, I know we're coming down, boom, all the way down. And you can see this is my golden ratio. That was my support, that precisely around where it got to. But I will teach you how I come up with all these things, guys. Okay, which one is this class? Let me use illustration to make it better. Good. All right, so, okay, illustration it is. Let me clear up this thing and, okay. What do I want to do, guys? I want to show us take profit and stop loss. I'm gonna refresh this thing. It's not bringing up something. Oh, I see. This chart's, oh, can you imagine? It's recognizing the one I had signed in earlier. Can you imagine this whole artificial intelligence stuff, man? So I'm going to sign back in, guys. Let me sign back into to mine. Go.
Real quick, if I don't know, like for some reason the screen has been still for a while.
Really?
On my end, yeah.
Is that the same for everyone? I
just started seeing movement. I don't know, but for some reason, maybe me recording had something to do with it. So I just stopped recording and I'm beginning to see activity all over again.
Oh, so you think it might be because you're recording?
Yeah, most definitely. But anyways, just continue. I'll catch up.
Okay. I am recording on my end anyway, and
okay, that's fine.
And I'll share it completely with all of us. So I wanted to go over take profit and stop loss real quickly. So let's say, for example, if we want to sell, we had brought our Fibonacci up here, for example. No, let's say we want to buy. Okay, so we had brought down our Fibonacci. From this zone, I don't see I didn't see all these parts right here. All these parts right here, I didn't see it. Sorry. Let's delete that bad boy. Control Z. Okay. So let's say I didn't see all this part from here. We still have 6 minutes for me to go over these things before we break down charts. So let's say we didn't see all of this from here. What my trade will look like is this. I bring out my Fibonacci. From the swing high to the swing low, I see this huge bounce. It's close to my trend line here. I see that there's a support right here. It's already around the support here. See the bounce. I can see this let's put this circle here. I can see everything that happened under here. So suggest to me that, okay, we're getting in a reversal. So how far up do we want to get to? I bring out my Fibonacci 0.618. I draw a support right here. I draw a support right here. I draw a small purple support right here. So I'm looking for a buy, right? We're about to get in a buy. I get in a buy from this point. So my stop loss in this case would be like this. So my trade will be looking like this. We're longing. It's a long position. Okay. So boom. On this, I'll have something like this, guys. So this is what the trade will be looking. The trade will be looking like. You know, she wants to. It's all right. So my trade will be looking like this. So because it's a buy, we're buying up. My stop loss is where, in case this trade will go against me, where I want it to stop me, and bye bye. I don't do again. But in case this trade will go in my favor, where do I want to take my profit? That is take profit. Stop loss is where do I want this thing to stop if I'm going to lose my money? And take profit is where do I want to take my profit and go sleep? Like I always say, the main thing with trading is to make money. That is the whole point why we're trading at all. So it is not to be right. It is not to be correct. It's not to have it's not to be the guru of trading. It's to make your money and get out. There's always going to be opportunities in the market every now and then. And like everyone says, the number one rule in trading Forex is to protect your capital. The main goal is to make money, but the number one rule is to protect your capital. If you can protect your capital, then you have a good chance of profitability on the long run, even if you're making losses. So how then do you ensure all of that? You ensure that by risk and account management. Never trade more than a total 5 to 10% of your capital at any point in time. Never risk more than 5 to 10% of your capital at any point in time, though your profit can be as much as you can accommodate, if that makes sense. So let's say this is a buy. We have about a 1-to-4 ratio. About 1-to-3, about 3-to-1 ratio. So your stop loss is 1 and your take profit is 3 times what that is. So play. That will be your trade. Boom, 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 boom. Okay.
Hello, Ifa.
Yes,
sorry.
Sir.
The screen has been on the TradingView interface for a while now.
On TradingView.
Yeah, that's where you've been at in the last 10 minutes. So.
Oh my jeez,
So I'm not sure whatever it is that you're on, right? Okay, yeah, it just changed. So in the last 10 minutes, all that you've been saying is like.
Oh well. Okay. All right. So stop loss and take profit. Can you guys see this particular screen where I have this arrow, this gold thing, this green and red?
Yeah. Huh?
I'm really sorry, guys. Teaching is not my strongest point.
Oh, good. I think it's just getting used to the Zoom interface.
Yes, this Zoom. Well, don't let me say teaching is not my strongest point, but Zoom is not. I'm not so used to Zoom, even though I should be. But yeah, I have 1 minute and 40 seconds right now. Do you guys want to ask me questions that I just take down and I address once we get back?
No questions for now from my end. Besides, if we can have a rerun of what you been talking about in the last 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay.
The view that was up on your screen was from TradingView, not the view that you have right now.
All right. Okay. Okay. So everyone agrees with that. I will clear all of this up and get ready for the next 40 minutes.
Sounds like a plan.
Righty. Let me maximize all of this back. So I would start with where I'm going to start precisely would be take profit and stop loss.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. So let me put this in one. Let me end this right now. So we're going to have 2 videos that have been recorded. So end meeting for all of us. End meeting for everyone. End meeting for all.